Hello there, welcome to yet another tutorial. This tutorial is going to be based on CSS. The title of this tutorial is Using CSS to Add Beauty to HTML. I remain my humble self, Edozie John Paul Zoma, and I will be taking you on this course. What is CSS? CSS, the full meaning of CSS is cascading style sheets, and CSS is used to make our HTML markups to look pretty and beautiful. What are the styles that I keep talking about? Styles are the rules that create the beauty. The following are examples of CSS properties. We have background, colon, red, semicolon. So this is a CSS property. We have height, colon, 200 px, semicolon. This is another CSS property that adds a given dimension of height to a HTML element. The third property is color, colon, white, semicolon. The HTML tags we will style are header, main, and footer. These are the HTML tags that we are going to style in our project on Replit. CSS rules that we are going to apply to those HTML tags are header with curly brackets surrounding the CSS properties of height 200 px, background with color of orange. We shall also add rules to the main tag. We shall give it a height of 400 px, a color to the text of white, and a background of indigo. We shall also style the footer by giving it a height of 150 px and a background color of ash 865 FFE. This ash 865 FFE is known as a hexadecimal coding system. To test run, we shall head over to Replit. So let's head to Replit. So this is a project I have already started creating with Replit. This is the header tag, the main tag containing H1 to H6 elements, and then the footer. They are empty at the moment. We shall just give them a background color and a height. So I'll click on this icon and I'll click on the style.css file. Now this is the CSS rules that we're trying to apply to our HTML tag as seen in the previous slides. We have header, main, and footer, and we gave header a height of 200 px, background of orange. We gave main a height of 400 px, color of white, and background of indigo. We gave footer a height of 150 px and the background of ash 865 FF. So next I'm going to run this code. So I'll click on the run button. So this is it. You can see our header with a background of orange, our main with indigo, and our footer with a lightish purplish color. Alright, so I'm heading back to my slide. So our CSS rules was, as you saw, in a new file called the style.css. Right about now, I want to give you an assignment I want you to browse about CSS in any of your favorite mobile browser. So, see you next again. Bye bye.